Hello YouTube, and welcome to another episode of Security is an Illusion. Today I'm going to show you some more basics of the Backtrack R2 command line. Okay, so the first one we're going to look at is chmod. Chmod is a way of changing file and folder permissions. So if we go to our command line, okay, let's go to our desktop. And I have created a folder here named Play, as you can see on our desktop. Okay, and now in Play we're going to see a new folder. So as you can see, currently chmod has for administrator read, write and execute. For users it has execute and read. So pretty much on numbers here, if you have 7, it's pretty much an addition of all of them, read, write and execute. If we have read and write, the number will be 6. If we have write and execute, the number will be 3. And pretty much our dashes between them just mean owner permissions, admin permissions, and pretty much permissions for everyone. So let's change our permissions to read, write and execute for everything, which is chmod777 and then the folder. And now if we look at new folder, you can see that there is read, write and execute permissions on pretty much all areas, so administrator, owner and everyone. So as you see now, by specifying 444, we have given everybody read permissions, including owner and administrator. So now if we do a chmod744 and then specify the file, we're giving read, write and execute, and then read permissions to the owner and our everybody group. Next we'll look at the clear command. So if we put clear in the terminal, what it does is it just wipes everything, and it's like opening a new terminal. Notice it does keep the file path. So our next command will be chown for change owner. As you can see, our owner at the moment is root, and the group owner is root. So if we do a chown mysql and then another mysql and then specify the folder, it will now change the owner and the group to the MySQL owner and MySQL group. So if we do a clear, I will now show you the top command. So what top does is it shows us all the current running processes. As you can see, it shows us the process ID, the user, statistics like CPU and memory usage, and also it shows uptime, as you can see up the top right after the top command. Next we'll look at the kill PID command. So what this allows us to do is to kill a process defined by its process ID. So if we look at console, its process ID is 7045. So if we open another command line now and type kill PID and then the process number that we want to kill, and as you can see, our console was terminated. Now if we look at the kill all command, this allows us to kill all processes defined by their name rather than process ID. So once again, if we look at console, so now we open up a normal terminal. We type kill all and then console, and as you can see, it has terminated our console process. Next, I'll just show you some different things that can be used to gather information. First is date, which shows pretty much our current day, our date and our time. We look at the uptime command. This tells us when we logged in and how long our system has been running for. If we use the whoami command, this command will display to us who is currently logged on at the time. As you can see, I am logged on as root. Next, we will use the uname-a command. This will give us our kernel information for our current Linux distribution. As you see, I am running Backtrack, which is using a 3.2.6 kernel, as well as some information about architecture. Next, we will look at the man command. So what man allows us to see is the man page or description page of a program or a command line option. As you can see, I am demonstrating etcap through here. So as you can see, it gives some information on